Good evening. This is my bathroom. I bought today in B&M this light bulb. It comes with a remote control and all these colours. So I'm going to give it a go in my bathroom. As you can see, it's got an on and off switch. I'm going to turn it on. And that's the red colour. It has various colours. It also has yellow. It has blue. It has pink and green. So I'm going to ask out. I might try pink. Here we go. Calling out to any spirits. If you can hear my voice, can you walk towards me and touch this in my hand if you like the pink colour? Thank you. Can you do that again? Wow, thank you. Do you like the colour pink? Amazing. Wow. Do you come from the mirror, which needs a good clean? What other colour do you like? Shall we try pink? I like pink. That's the light pink. Let's do another colour. Let's do green. Do you like the colour green? Give me a sign. Do you like this colour? Thank you, Spirit. You like the colour green? Show me a light. Wow, that's amazing. Thank you so much. I'm also going to change it to yellow. Do you like this colour also? Do you like the colour yellow? Can you give me another sign? Thank you. Wow, that's amazing. So, this light bulb with remote cost me £8 from B&M. I love it. So head down to B&M if you want one of these gadgets. Thanks for watching. I'm going to carry on and see if I get anything else paranormal. Bye for now.